Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the horror game Eyes. First, your main goal is to collect 20 bags of money scattered throughout the map. Use your flashlight to see in the dark, but be mindful of its battery life. Pay close attention to the game's audio. Distinct sounds will warn you when a monster is near, giving you a chance to react quickly and avoid danger. When a monster appears, your best strategy is to run without hesitation. Seek out hiding spots like closets or behind large furniture to break line of sight. Remember, the eye item is crucial. It allows you to see the monster's current position on your map for a short duration, giving you a tactical advantage to plan your escape route effectively. Mastering the map is key to success. Familiarize yourself with the different rooms and corridors to efficiently locate money bags and identify potential escape paths. Always prioritize collecting eye items, as they provide invaluable information about monster locations. Additionally, keep an eye out for keys, which are essential for unlocking new sections of the house and advancing your game. To maximize your chances of survival, try to conserve your flashlight battery by turning it off in well-lit or safe areas. Develop quick reflexes, as monsters can appear unexpectedly, requiring immediate action. Playing with headphones significantly enhances your audio awareness, allowing you to pinpoint monster locations more accurately and react faster to their presence, improving your overall gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.